Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 63 Studbaker champ, and that this casting felt really heavy, so I actually bought this one, and these were available a lot in a single box, so you don't need to worry about missing this out. So you can go anytime and you can buy this. So let's unbox this and see how this one actually looks in hand. So I'm a bit curious because actually never saw this car in literally anywhere, because in India you never saw this car any of exotics that easily, especially locations like where I am, in Chennai and all, and especially these kind of trucks or any other cars, any other muscle cars to be very precise. You can't see those things here. You can even see a Lamborghini or even a McLaren. Not even McLaren. You can easily see a Porsche. You can see a Lamborghini, and you can see uh, other cars. Mostly Lamborghini and Porsche compared to other brands. But you can't see these kind of muscle cars here. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are like the paint job looks nice, but still it has a lot of scratches here. You can see. I think you can able to see here, and here you can see there are there's some dents actually. See in the hood. Not sure if it is. I'm not sure how they are doing that. So it has some good exhaust details to it. On the side you can see this casting is a bit heavy actually. It is not light. You can easily break someone's head with it. Finally, Hot Wheels has a use in real life. So the headlights are painted good. Tail lights are not painted as usual. And there's a flat bed here, which looks nice. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick and see how this one rolls. It's heavy. Wow, it does roll really well compared to the other ones, and especially the tuned ones which we unboxed in our previous videos. Even compared to the Mazda Miata, this one actually really rolls really well. It does have some wobble to both the wheels, specifically the rear wheel is more, but it still rolls really nice on the tracks. It may not be very fast, but with the same push which I am giving here, it does cross this mark here. So I'm just trying to I'm going to place some mark here, like the same amount of push, how far the car is going. If it reaches here, then it's fine, or at least here. So far the benchmark is set for here. Yeah, here. So moving forward, let's see how this one is going to change. The casting does look really nice. Paint job is nice. So I hope you guys get a good casting, instead of one which I'm having, which I have this scratches here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.